Hello, this is Beanie here. Today, 3 US listed stocks that belongs to the M7, and I'm going to share the patterns that they have in common right now. Have you heard of cup and handle pattern? Right now, we have Tesla here, and Tesla is showing a cup and handle pattern. Now, what is the meaning of this cup here? So this is where I'm seeing a cup. So that would be a lengthy period of consolidation, and then followed by this mini handle here. So it's probably easier if you see it from a line chart. So it goes like this: a cup and a handle. Now earlier in Tesla, I've shared that this was a cup, this was a little bit of a handle, and then price broke and Tesla went up from about 350 area here. I think that was about 360 area here, and is right now trading about 460. And with this extension, Tesla extended into a massive, huge cup here, and then followed by this small little handle. Now let's talk about the meaning of the cup and handle pattern. The cup and handle pattern means that there was a period of consolidation, so period where traders, investors were selling, followed by a period of stability. So that's where price movement stable, and followed by a period of rise here. Okay, and what does this handle mean? Now this handle means that now, after this base consolidation, after the cup, traders and investors are no longer willing to buy at a lower price. In fact, that they are willing to support the stocks at a higher price right now, hence forming that small little dip, which we see that as an handle pattern here. Now, what is the implication of the cup and handle pattern? It means that if price should break out of a neckline, so how do I draw this neckline? What I did was to connect the high point to the high point, that these two high points will give us the cup, and then at this point, little point here, that will be the handle. And if there should be a breakout of this neckline, so this is your neckline, all right, then it means a completion of this cup and handle. Now, next, where would be a likely profit target of that cup and handle pattern? Now what we do is that we can measure into the base of the cup. So for example, this is the base of the cup to the breakout area, and then we take this height and extrapolate that to the breakout point, and roughly we're going to have an estimated target profit. And in this case here, Tesla is measuring about 720 if there should be a successful breakout of this cup and handle pattern. But one disclaimer is that not always the cup and handle pattern will result in such profit target. So along the way, there will be key levels that investors and traders will be taking profit, etc. But this is indicative of how we look at the profit target of a cup and handle pattern. Now, again, that Tesla hasn't broken out yet, so I do not know whether it's going to break out. And also, this video is not a financial advice to say that you should be trading on the breakout, etc., but to bring to your awareness that there are patterns that's being formed, and we are able to observe that from a price chart here. So as I said, I'm sharing Tesla as one potential cup and handle pattern, and then there's another stocks, which is Amazon. Amazon is reporting very soon, which would be on the 30th of October, and Amazon has also the cup and handle pattern. So let's talk about how to draw the neckline here. This will be the neckline that I'm seeing in Amazon. And where is the cup and handle pattern? That's the cup here, and quite a lengthy period of a handle here. Again, that price hasn't broken up above the neckline. Now, I said that I'll be sharing on the third one, which is a cup and handle pattern, and guessed which one. Out of the M7 that we have, then this is another cup and handle pattern, and it has already broken out of that cup and handle pattern here. So that will be Apple. So where is the neckline? Take the high to that high point here, and then we see that there's this base that's being built here. That's your cup, and then this is your handle here. So we know that M7 has 3 cup and handle pattern. First will be Tesla, second is Amazon, and third is Apple that has already broken out. Then if you would like to tap into the opportunity of a price movement from a cup and handle pattern, again, as a very strong disclaimer, this is not a video to ask you to buy or sell into that, but to bring into the awareness. Then if you are looking at cup and handle pattern and into the M7 and would like to have a short-term trading opportunity, then one way to look at is to use DLC, and that's daily leverage certificates. Now let me just bring you to another website from SocGen where they feature DLCs of the M7. Alright, so this is the DLC page of SwordGen, and here we have the underlying that trades into the different M7 stocks. Again, that they added a lot more. For example, they have the Broadcom, and they have AMD, they have Apple and Tesla. So not only they have M7, but they do have other stocks to which traders might be interested. Now, these are DLCs which are meant for short-term instruments. Do click into each of the underlying and then go under search to understand which are the DLCs which are available for trading. If you have a daily long, it means that you will gain if the underlying moved up, and if you buy a daily short, then you will gain if the underlying moved down. Alright, so I hope that this is useful for you to understand what is right now happening to some of the key stocks in M7, and that you love the cup and handle pattern, because I've been trading the cup and handle pattern in all my trading, and it produces wonderful results. Alright, if you do have any questions on cup and handle pattern, do remember to leave a comment and I will answer you in my videos. Thank you for watching, and remember to click the subscribe button. Bye.